Learn about volcanoes in science or geography. Wouldn't it be cool to actually see one? Join me to tour one of the most active volcanoes in the world at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. If you want to learn the science behind volcanoes, please check out my video. There are only a few active volcanoes in this world, and 2 of them are volcanoes in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. This national park is located on the eastern side of Big Island. The 2 active volcanoes there are Mauna Loa and Kilauea. I'm here at the rim of the Kilauea crater, which is an active volcano. You can see some smoke coming out, but the view gets much better when it's dark outside. Isn't this so cool? You can actually see the fiery lava. Let's take a closer look. This is the lava flowing from the side of the volcano. And look at this fuming lava lake. Look at that bubbling lava. Do you know the difference between magma and lava? Magma is molten rock deep inside the earth. Lava is when the molten rock comes out of the volcano. While you're in Hawaii, don't forget to have some fun as well. Thanks for watching. Bye!